Hi everyone, it's Naya. Welcome back to my channel. If you love luxury, fashion, lifestyle, unboxings, reviews, hauls, and vlogs, you'll find yourself right at home here. Go ahead and subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so that you are alerted every time I upload a new video. Today's video is going to be a comparison of the Louis Vuitton Sac Lowkey Hobo PM and the HERMES Picotin 22. I'm just going to give you guys a little comparison, contrast. Do you need both of these bags? So this is what they look like. Both bags do have gold hardware. I'll start with the Sac Lowkey. There goes the gold lock. There is gold hardware inside the bag as well. And then on the Picotin, we also have gold hardware. Both bags have gold feet. I don't consider the Picotin a hobo bag. I consider this more of a kind of like a bucket bag, but it has a short handle. And the Lowkey would be a hobo bag. They both have raw unfinished leather on the inside, as you guys can see. It's very soft. Another similarity between the two of these bags is that they are both very low-key. Although this one is called a Lowkey, I feel like the Picotin is very low-key as well. There's no noticeable logo. The Lowkey does have a lock here that has LV on the side, still very discreet. It will still be considered quite luxury, as well as on the front it has a detail right there. It says just Louis Vuitton Paris. The inside of the bag just has a little hook here. There is an LV on that. The Lowkey does come with a little pouch as well. The Picotin, however, does not come with a pouch. The Picotin also does not have an adjustable handle. However, the Lowkey does have an adjustable handle. I'm going to show you guys that. So this is the lock right here, and you can just squeeze it, press it, open the lock. I love that feature. And you can just pull the strap out. You can adjust the length. If you want it a little bit longer, you can just kind of put it through the hole. The Lowkey is much easier to wear as a shoulder bag. I feel like the Picotin 22 works best as a crook of the arm kind of bag, top handle bag. That's the best way to carry the Picotin 22. However, with the Lowkey bag, you have a longer strap and you have more options of ways to carry the bag. You can make it shorter, but not very short, but still you can adjust the length of it, which I think is a good feature. They're both really slouchy, which I love. This season, it's all about the squishy, soft, slouchy bags. I love that. The Lowkey Hobo is smooth calfskin. The Picotin 22 is Clemence leather. So smooth calfskin and Clemence leather. And they both feel very soft and very, very, very squishy. And I will put all of the dimensions of both bags on the screen. So is there a need to get both bags? Although they are very similar, I do feel like they're still different. If you want more options, I would say to go ahead and get the Lowkey because of the adjustable strap. They both would hold a decent amount of your items. Definitely good for a day out. Essentials plus a little bit more would fit in both bags. They are very similar in price. So do you need both? It's up to you. So that's my comparison of the Louis Vuitton Sac Lowkey Hobo and the HERMES Picotin 22. So leave me a comment down below if you have any of these bags, if you like these bags, if you think it's necessary to have both of them. Go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Leave me a comment down below. Thanks for watching. See you in my next video.